talk about some of the most common problems of outsourcing your website design and how you can fix them. If you're hoping to find a professional team that can build your website, outsourcing can often seem like a great option, but there's some common mistakes that we see clients come to us with having experienced. You need to know what issues to look out for, and I'm going to guide you through the couple of the most common ones we see so that you can make sure you're getting the website that you want, that looks like you want, that has the functionality you want, and you know what pitfalls to avoid. One of the most common problems with outsourcing to a company not based in the US, a lot of entrepreneurs choose that option based on pricing alone. And while the price of web design may be a lot cheaper when outsourcing this way, it can also come with it some negativities and negative results for your website in some cases. Often our clients that come to us needing a redesign are unsatisfied with their website due to cultural or language barriers that they've encountered while the outsourced company has been developing it. So you want to make sure your communication with your designers is clear, that they understand you, you understand them, so that your web design functions to achieve your business goals. Additionally, you may be in a different time zone, maybe a much different time zone than the outsourced company that's working in another country. Sometimes it can be 12 hours difference, which can make the communication with them even more difficult. Regardless of where you are in outsourcing your web design, making that decision, or if you're already into the process, you want to make sure that communication is clear, that you both understand each other, and you need to make sure that it's clear not just with the salesperson you're talking to, but the actual people who are going to be working on your website, so that you can get great results and that it accurately reflects your brand, your mission, and all of the functionality that you need. Talk with them to set up whatever communication method that works for both of you. Most web design companies, like we do, have a standardized process. Ours is using a project management system that we add our clients to so that tasks can get added, they can be finished, and we can shoot a quick message telling them where they are in the project. Try to work with whatever communication platform your web designer already has, but make sure that you understand what the communication will be, that you understand when they communicate with you. Clarify if they're writing a sentence that sometimes you don't understand, again, because of maybe some language barriers. Make sure you get clarification. Don't assume. Don't think that you know, and maybe what they're really saying is something slightly different than what you're thinking. So share your expectations along the way. Make sure you ask for more information when you need it. Another thing that happens is choosing a company that maybe is just a poor fit. Your website is one of the most important pieces of your digital online presence that you can have. So you want to find a company that you think understands you, understands your needs, and kind of gets what you're trying to go for. And for that reason, it's important to find a company that fits with yours effectively. You need to make sure you're compatible with them. A few things you can do is look at the company's website, see if they have a portfolio of any of their past work. We have one on ours, although it is undergoing, the portfolio pages are undergoing some minor renovations on our own website. And when you have a consultation with the team, ask them if they've maybe done work for companies that are similar to yours or in the same industry. While that shouldn't be the only factor that you consider, because just because somebody's done work on a website in the industry may not mean it was an effective website, but at least you'll know that they have some understanding of some of the needs of your industry. And that can cut down some of the learning curve immensely. And you should also make sure they have the experience necessary to meet your website requirements, especially when it's regarding functionality. Believe it or not, the design isn't quite as critical. Honestly, it's not nearly as critical as making sure you have the right functionality so that your website will actually help you take care of some of your business needs. Also ask if they have a history working with those kind of special features that your website will need. You can ask for testimonials from past clients. A lot of them will have them right on their website like we do on ours. And you can even see if maybe they have some online reviews, although sometimes those are a little bit less accurate nowadays. I've talked about that in the past. If you look for online reviews and a lot of people are rating them a 1 and have concerns, that should give you a big pause. And also give you an idea of how the company will work with you and being able to meet your expectations and what results you may be able to expect. Definitely avoid the ones that have 1 ratings across the board, and make sure that you at least look for reviews, testimonials, portfolio examples. Outsourcing your website is almost always what an entrepreneur wants to do, and it's a great option because they can get pretty technical, and not all entrepreneurs have that level of expertise. So it's important to avoid those mistakes. You need to find the company that fits your needs, that you feel comfortable working with, that will become a partner in helping make you an amazing website. If you're ready to upgrade your online presence or even start a brand new website, we can help you achieve that vision for, again, this most important piece of your online presence. We offer 3 levels of website assistance, 5 if you want to get into it. First is the done for you option, where we do all of the heavy lifting of the technical pieces, the design pieces, helping you get great copy written if you don't already have it, or taking what you do have and integrating it on your website along with the functionality that you need to make it a really effective, strong digital piece for your online presence. We also have a do-it-yourself option for those who want to build their own website, or maybe they're just not at the point in their business growth that they can afford to pay thousands and thousands of dollars potentially to have someone else do it for them. We have a course where you can build your own WordPress website. We walk you through step by step with how-to videos. It is like you are sitting right here with me as I design a website, and I show you exactly how I do it, what you need to do, what you don't need to worry about, and it's one of the easiest ways to get your own website up and running and get something that handles some of that functionality and represents your business well. Then we have a hybrid of the two. Maybe you're doing your own, but you need a little help along the way, especially when you hit those technical pieces. We offer hourly packages for website assistance, where we can help you when you need it, but when you don't, you can continue working on it. And then another level is ongoing maintenance. If you already have a website, but you're wanting someone to be updating your plugins, taking care of those technical issues, making regular backups, those types of things, we have website maintenance plans that you can do, and we'll handle those technical pieces monthly so you can focus on the more important pieces of your business. And then for those who want something even further with services like SEO optimization or copywriting of blog articles, which feeds into SEO as well, we also provide those individual pieces, and you can get really creative and create your own package. So if you need help, check out our website. I've put the link in the description, and you can access all of those options. And really, if you're not sure what you need right now, if you want someone to do it or you want to do it yourself, you can always schedule a free consultation, and we'll learn your goals, learn what you're trying to achieve, learn how comfortable you are with that kind of technology, and then make our best recommendation. It won't always be that we do it for you. Sometimes we may recommend that you do our DIY course instead, but we can help you strategize what level of assistance you need so that you can find the piece that's right for you. Click on that link to the website, check out your options, and keep these points in mind if you do choose to outsource your website design. While you're here, check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss the latest marketing tips.